AirPod settings and controls can get a bit confusing. How can we turn down volume and turn volume up when there are no buttons and no dials? No worries, we'll show you a couple of tips how. One way to turn the volume up or down on your AirPods is to adjust your AirPods settings so that one of your AirPods is able to summon Siri. To adjust your AirPods settings, hold your AirPods near your device, and then go to Settings, Bluetooth, and tap the information icon, and then assign Siri to one of your AirPods. Once you've customized your settings, you can double tap whichever AirPod you've designated to summon Siri. Double tap the AirPod, and then say, "Hey Siri, turn up the volume." You can also raise or lower the volume by telling Siri a specific percentage you'd like her to increase or decrease the volume. If you're in a quiet room and don't want to be disruptive by talking to Siri, you can also adjust your AirPods volume from your iPhone. To do this, open Control Center on your iPhone by swiping down from the top right corner of the display on your iPhone X, or up from the bottom of the display on other iPhone models. Touch and hold the audio card in the upper right corner of the Control Center. Now raise or lower the volume by sliding the volume button right or left.
If you enjoyed this video tip and would like to see more, go to iPhonelife.com/insider